How to fix WhatsApp videos or photos not sending. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for WhatsApp just to make sure you have an updated version of the WhatsApp application. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So let's get back and then launch the settings application. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Select manage apps, and as you select on manage apps over here, simply tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp over here. As you search for WhatsApp, it's going to give you different apps that pops up. So make sure that you find the app and then tap on it. Now select on clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen and clear the cache, then tap on OK. Now relaunch the WhatsApp application and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.